Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to build a high ROI abandoned cart flow in Klaviyo. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Klaviyo account. So once you open your Klaviyo account, you need to simply tap on it and get logged into it. Now you need to set up the flow trigger and filters to build a high ROI abandoned cart flow. So you can simply navigate to flows and create flow and select add it to cart metric to capture through cart abandonment. You can add filters to trigger to exclude specific users, and then you can segment your audience as well. Immediately after trigger, add a conditional split to differentiate between customers that are past buyers versus new shoppers. You can also use like SMS versus email recipients to tailor the channel. You can design multiple step email, SMS sequences, and optimize content and timing as well. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.